So first up, we have a new addition to our Solutions line. So if you don't know, our Solutions line is just our kind of basic skincare, basic anti-aging. It's featured our Dramatic Firming Cream, our Banishing Cream, and our Natura Cream. These have been customer favorites for decades. So I always say, like, these products wouldn't have been around as long as they had if people didn't love how they worked. So they have almost like a cult following. They have just some people that have been using them for forever, and then some folks that we've gotten into them more recently. So we added to this collection with some new serums. And you may be asking, why a serum? You've got all of these formulas in a cream. Why a serum? So a serum can boost the benefits of your skincare regimen. It's very lightweight. It's ideal for layering under day creams and night creams. It's more easily absorbed. They have smaller molecules of the key ingredients, so it delivers a higher concentration of those active ingredients to target specific concerns. I always say the great thing about serums is if you have a day cream or a night cream that you absolutely love, but there's some little concern that you have that is not being addressed by that cream, a serum is a great way to add in that benefit without adding a lot of weight to your skincare routine. So it is very easy to layer it into an existing routine to get that specific benefit that you want. So first up, we have the Natura serum, and I would say of these, the Natura is probably the favorite of the creams that folks still have been using forever. So the Natura serum is going to be for softer and smoother looking skin. It's got skin nourishing ingredients that help to combat dryness and flakiness and to help hydrate the skin. So just a really good all-around general moisturizing and nourishing serum for the skin. Same with the cream. And then next up, we have the Dramatic Firming Cream up here at the top. And that's going to be for plumper, firmer skin with less noticeable fine lines. So it's a moisturizing serum. Again, gives you more added moisture because that really does help lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it contains effective anti-aging ingredients to help promote a more youthful appearance. And I know a lot of folks that really love the Dramatic Firming Cream for the neck and under the chin area, to like along the jawline and down on the neck, to kind of firm up the skin around there. So I know folks that have been using that Dramatic Firming Cream for that for decades. That's their go-to for that. And then lastly, we have the Banishing Serum, and this is going to help improve dark spots and give you a more even skin tone. So it's an intensive serum, ingredients known to help improve the appearance of the dark spots and uneven skin tone. So this is another one, like I said, that people have been using this for many, many, many years and love the results that they see with this, especially with like the really dark age spots. A lot of folks have liked the Banishing Cream for that, and so now we have the Banishing Serum. So that's our new additions to our Solutions line, adding a little bit of serums to make this more available to integrate into different skincare routines, or to just boost the benefits of the creams that you've already been using. It's also a great way. I know some folks that they use more than one. They use 2 or 3 of these Solutions creams. So the serum is a great way that maybe they're finding if they're using them all on the same day, or in the same skincare routine, that maybe switching out for a serum might be a way to go with a more lightweight application, make the layering less heavy. So that's our Solutions Serums.